Stunning ways to redefine your space. Today, we're exploring 9 brilliant and beautiful ways to transform your home with dividers that are so much more than just partitions. Let's dive in. This minimalist divider creates a private sanctuary with clean vertical lines. It's a structured yet liberating solution that adds tranquility and transforms a room into a modern haven. Section 1. Clean Lay, where function meets artful design. This divider uses a warm wood grid and fluted glass to elegantly separate spaces. It creates privacy while letting light flow, adding a layer of sophisticated geometric texture that transforms the entire room, where modern structure meets wild nature. This vertical garden uses a sleek black frame to house a lush array of plants, creating a living work of art. It acts as a natural divider, bringing vibrant energy and a sense of calm into the modern home. Redefine your space with color and light. This sculptural divider features floating organic glass forms with vibrant gradients housed in a simple black frame. It functions as a stunning art installation, defining areas while creating a dynamic and playful atmosphere. Light, texture, and structure unite in this magnificent backlit divider. Its complex grid of wood and varied translucent panels creates a warm, luminous glow. It acts as a stunning architectural centerpiece, defining the space while filling it with an air of sophisticated. Experience the art of Japanese design. These elegant Shoji screen dividers pair intricate wood lattice with translucent paper to softly diffuse light and create a profound sense of calm. They offer a beautiful, flexible way to define spaces, bringing timeless elegance and tranquility into the Define your space on your terms. This minimalist divider offers the choice between a transparent glass wall and a private solid screen, creating a sleek and highly functional architectural element. Create a soft focus sanctuary. This ethereal divider uses fine vertical lines to create a transparent veil that plays with light and perception, offering privacy with an atmospheric touch. Art that divides. This sculptural panel uses dynamic, flowing waves to create a stunning feature wall. It's a bold statement piece that brings movement and sophisticated texture to the modern interior. So there you have it, 9 incredible ways to redefine a space. Which design inspired you the most? Let us know in the comments.